In this video, we're just going to be talking about our refurbished ball lock Corny Kegs. Now these kegs are literally 100% refurbished. Each one of these kegs is hand selected, which means if we come across a keg that has a large dent or just too much damage, it just gets discarded. It will not be used. Most of the kegs will have some minor dents like pinhead size or the size of a quarter max usually. After the kegs are selected, the kegs then go through a rigorous refurbishment process. During the refurbished process, the kegs are completely disassembled. So all posts, dip tubes, O-rings are completely removed from the kegs. The pressure relief valve, the lid, etc. All the old O-rings are discarded. They are then cleaned with a food-grade cleaning agent and machine polished inside and out. New O-rings are placed on the dip tubes, posts, and reassembled. The keg lids are polished and new feet are installed on the lids. Next, the rubber top handles and bases are also polished. Just like our used Corny Kegs from the US market, these kegs are from the old soda industry, so some might be from the 1990s. We have some from 2015. So over time, the black rubber does start to break down. You might get a little bit on your hands, but nothing too substantial. After the refurbished process is complete, the kegs are pressurized to 3 bar, which is about 43.5 psi, and left there for 24 hours to ensure there's no leaks. The kegs then remain under pressure and we ship them this way. That way you know when you receive the keg, it's fully sealed and it's gonna work. And to finish them off, we add a free extra set of post O-rings for future use, which you'll find wrapped around the keg lid bars. One of the main differences with these kegs is that they are a European size, so they're slightly different than our standard US Corny Kegs, but very close to the same volume. They come in 2 sizes, 18 liter, which is about 4.75 gallons, so it's really close to your 5-gallon keg, and a 9-liter keg, which is roughly 2.4 gallons, so it's very close to your 2.5-gallon keg. The brand of these kegs is AEB Safer. They're all manufactured in Italy. AEB is a keg that we've been selling at Keg Outlet for as long as we've been in business, but we've only sold them as new kegs up until this point. So we're happy to be able to offer these great quality kegs at refurbished prices now. And we've gotten this question already regarding the ball lock posts. The ball lock post is the exact same as what we use here, so it's completely compatible. And as far as the threading for the posts, if you ever have to replace them, it's the exact same as the US style Corny Kegs. It's a 916-18 UNF threading. So all the parts you'll ever need for these kegs are readily available. We offer these kegs in single units, twin packs, 4-packs, and even different size pallet quantities. And of course, the more that's ordered, the higher discount volumes we offer. So hop on over to kegoutlet.com/likenew to check out these kegs today.